Hello everyone. Today I'm going to show you my application converter. This application I do it with the MIT App Inventor. This is a cover arrangement. It's another screen. It's arrangement. We have only a one screen and arrangement. This cover arrangement have an image and also have a lever that have this word converter. They have a clock with 3 seconds of duration. Also, this arrangement is visible because I want that the screen was visible. Then we have other 4 arrangements that are not visible because are the converters. This one is the converter are these are the distance converter. We have 2 text box and spinner. This is the text box and this is the spinner. We have the meters as element for string, and we have IN. And we have this button that it's going to do the operation to convert the distance for meters to IN. We have 3 buttons that it's going to change if you want to temperature converter or height converter and currency conversion, depends what you want to convert. Also, I forget it, but we have a distance converter. We have a level that have the word distance converter. We are going to pass to the arrangement height. This is have the same buttons as other screens. The text box and the add item we have kilograms, and in the other spinner we have libras. We have the same button to convert to do the converse, and the arrangement currency. This converter is going to make that the pesos is going for dollars. We have the same buttons, distance, height, temperature, depends what you want. And we have the label, and here a label. We have the add items that work well. We have the part plugs. In these part plugs, we have the clock one, that is this one, and we have the function that when the clock one started and finished the 3 seconds is going to make that the cover that is visible, it's going to false and make it the distance arrangement it's true, that signifies that it's going to be visible. Then we have the variables. We have this one, there is the entrance one, and we have one of 2 the different converters. We have 2 for one converter because one is for entrance and the other one is for the exit. We have this to the 4 converters. Always is different, depend to the convert as you ask. And also we have these buttons that are the buttons in the top of the arrangement. These buttons, it have this very simple function. When you click it, if you are in the temperature arrangement, it's going to make it fall, and if you want to be in the currency and you click the currency, it's going to be the currency arrangement visible. Also with the button 7, if you are the temperature arrangement and you want to be in the distance arrangement for convert distance, you click it and it's going to make sure the distance. this function is in the all buttons are the same. The only that change is that the screens, and yep, that's all. Well, we are going to the programmation of the convert. For example, the currency convert. When you click the button 3, that is going to make make the conversion. It's going to the global currency, that is the text box 5. Sorry. If you put I don't know, 17, it's going to make the operation to the global currency. It's going to pair with the number of that is 19.78, and also the text box 6 and text box 5, it's going to change the color to a black to see the result. Well, this function is for all the buttons. The only change is the converter, I said. For example, if you want the temperature, you click the button through before you put the number you want to convert, and it's going to do this operation that is for get a Fahrenheit grade. This block is going to make that the result of the operation appears in the global as temp, that is the text box 4, and these are all the function. It's the same one for everyone. Well, it's have the same function with different units. And we're going to make the comparison to this application. We're going to scan the code. We're going to connect the iCompanion with the Android device. Well, we have here its charger, and here we have, it's going to do 2 seconds. Here it is. If you put at any number, we are going to, I don't know, put oh, sorry. First, you're going to hit this, and for example, I want to convert 45 meters. Okay, and then we're going to click the converter, and this in IN, it's this one. I don't know how to pronounce, sorry. And also we have the patterns of here.